Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 66. Dive into the mysterious story of Hatshepsut, the woman who became king of Egypt around 1478 BC. Defying all norms, she transitioned from queen consort to pharaoh, one of the few women to ever claim the title. Hatshepsut wasn't content with mere power. She embarked on ambitious building projects and trading expeditions, like the famed journey to the land of Punt, which brought back riches and exotic goods. Her reign was marked by prosperity and peace, yet after her death, her successor Thutmose III sought to erase her from history, defacing her monuments and omitting her name from king lists. Despite these attempts, Hatshepsut's legacy endured, her achievements too significant to be forgotten, cementing her as one of ancient Egypt's most remarkable rulers.